Hello everyone, welcome back to Scott's Honest Review. So today we are reviewing a USB digital clock. If you are interested, you guys can find this in my video description directly from the seller. So let's go ahead and show you what's in the box. So we got a little manual here, LED temperature and humidity alarm instructions. Oh, that's really cool. Alright, so this is, whoa, this is a really sleek design. I love this. How do you even see it? Okay, so this is, okay, so it would go like, probably like this. That is awesome. You don't even see that it would be a clock. That is really cool. So let's see on the back what we got. We have DC 5 volt. We have reset, set up, down. Looks like you can also include batteries, which I believe they are 1, 2, 3, 4 AAA batteries. This is just I like this. This is so stealthy looking and sleek. Look at this. Is that not cool or what? Alright, enough playing. Let's actually plug it in and see how it looks on. So you got this little USB. You can plug that into your computer. You can plug it into a wall outlet. Pretty much anything with a USB will power it because the volts aren't crazy high. Alright, now where are you hiding? Alright, there you are. Does it turn with it? No. Okay, so this is it. What we're going to do is we're going to turn off our light so you can see this. Now we're going to have to set everything up because as you can see it's Celsius. This part might be a little boring, so you might want to skip ahead a little bit. We're just going to go over some of the instructions. Press any key to turn the alarm DP2, DP1, DP2, 2016. Alright, let's get the time here. It's 10:30. So you just pretty much hit set, and then when you want to set something, you press and hold. Now we're doing the 12 hours. What is this? 124. A1 12. That must be an alarm. Alarm 2. Okay, I gotcha. Alarm 3. Oh, was this? Okay, let's go back. Okay, so that must be PM, so let's go up here to 10:25. It's 10:31. Let's do 32. Go through all of this because we're not setting any alarm up, and there we go. So we need to see if we can change the Celsius and what 39 RH. Would that be humidity? Let's go. I'm gonna play with this a little bit and we'll see. Okay, so we have everything set. You can pick 2 displays. We decided to go with this one where it fluctuates back and forth. I'm very happy with this. I actually love this design. I mean, it's perfect for a desk or office or pretty much anywhere. It's just really cool. I like this. And I'm not a big fan of clocks. But something like this is really stylish. I absolutely can give it an honest, positive review. I wish I could change that to Fahrenheit. I have not seen anything in the instruction manual. Maybe there's a way. Maybe I'll look up online to see if there's a way. If not, all you have to do is print out Celsius and Fahrenheit. Now, as you see, we have this display. This is for our desk area. This is going to be for my second computer. So, you know, instead of looking across the room at this, I got this. So, yeah, it's definitely really nice. Definitely worth keeping and worth setting by my desk. 23 Celsius is 73.4 degrees Fahrenheit. So it takes 5 seconds to look on Google, so it's not like a big issue. But yeah, overall the style gets a 10 out of 10 from me. The functions and features probably get a 7 out of 10 from me. When I weigh out all the options, the price point, and just everything, I think I could go ahead and give this a 7 out of 10. I really do like this. I really like the design. I mean, you can even have it like that if you wanted to. You know, it's just really nice. Really, really nice. If you're interested, there's a link in my video description where you can get it. And I definitely do recommend it for... Now, the alarms, setting up the alarms and stuff, we're not using it for that. So, it has the instructions, it's got the manual for all that, and it looks pretty basic, as you saw. So, I don't think it will be too hard for you to set that up. Thank you guys for watching.